Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of virtual bundles on Amazon Seller Central. I'm going to walk you through the steps to create your very own virtual bundle, so let's get started. Let's see why we should use virtual bundles. First, it's convenient for customers. Imagine buying a phone case and a screen protector all at once. Virtual bundles simplify the shopping experience for customers who want complementary products. Second, it helps to increase the sales. Offering a discount on a bundle compared to individual items can incentivize purchases and encourage customers to spend more. Lastly, improved search visibility. Virtual bundles can potentially rank higher in search results, leading to increased product discoverability for the included items. To create virtual bundle, first, log in to your Seller Central account and navigate to the Brands tab. Under the Brands tab, click on Virtual Bundles. After clicking, you'll be redirected to the bundle creation page, where you can proceed to create the bundle. Now, you can add the ASINs of the products you want to include in your virtual bundle. Choose the product or search for it directly by ASIN, then click on Add to the bundle. Repeat the same process to add other ASINs. Search for the product by ASIN and click on Add to the bundle. Click on Done. Adding product. Here, you can review the products you've added. In the Images section, you can upload images of your bundled product. For now, I'm adding one main image. We recommend adding 7 images. Now, enter the bundle title, ensuring it covers all the names of the added products. Starting the title with your brand name is always preferable. Enter the bundle price and consider offering a discount on the bundle. Ensure to add all other required details such as description, bullet points, and most importantly, the SKU. Once you've entered all the details, review them thoroughly. If you're satisfied with the details, proceed towards completion. Click on Save and Publish to finalize your virtual bundle. And there you have it. Creating a virtual bundle is a great way to boost sales and offer value to your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon selling tips. Thanks for watching.